So when it comes to a custom dishwasher panel, you can use a variety of different models or a variety of different designs. In this case, we're trying to mimic the cabinetry. So this panel, it's gonna look like the exact mirror image of the left side, which is the garbage cabinet. It's gonna have a face frame on the bottom. It's gonna have the door, mimicking the door, a separation, a face frame separation between the drawer and the door, and it's gonna have a face frame on the top to create that design. So the purpose of doing a story stick is to allow you to measure exactly the sizes and widths of your pieces so you can mill them ahead of time and plan accordingly with the measurements. Once I have the pieces milled up, I always double check the measurements just to make sure that I'm following the guidelines told by the story stick. For this application, I'm using 3/8 of an inch thick Medix, which is a type of MDF. It's just slightly denser than your regular MDF that you can get in a box store. And plus, it's much easier to paint and it's slightly more water resistant, especially when it comes to dishwasher panel. You want to make sure that you're using a better product so over time that dishwasher panel doesn't get affected by the steam and water around the dishwasher. And that's the part that if you made this far into the video, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. That it's going to let YouTube know that you guys appreciate or are looking forward to the content that I'm putting out. And I certainly appreciate myself for all the support that I've been giving through the channel and all the good feedback and all the support from the community. Once the panel is dry, I unclamp them and proceed to the last step, which is going to be sizing the panel. Like I said in previous videos, I always try to make my doors and panels 1/8 inch bigger width and height. Then I can take them to the panel saw and make sure that they're nice and square. First I cut the sides to make sure that the two sides are going to be parallel. Then I move to the top and bottom to make sure that everything is going to be nice and square. Then I double check the panel with the story stick just to make sure that I'm still holding those true dimensions. Then I set the blade height to about 1/4 inch and I use the story stick as a sample to run the first piece. Then I keep repeating this process with the stick and the panel. I hope you like this video as much as I like to make it. So thanks again for watching.